Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm at the Battle Creek VA Hospital checking out this new Alertus HPSA-1200, I believe. This replaced the old system of modulators here at one point, and I'm starting to wonder if there's three, since this is a new installation. I can tell because when I was last year, I don't remember any Siren being here. So I'm gonna see if there's like a third one on the other side of the campus. Just came from the Siren test of the other one that I saw. So yeah, what I like about these is that the horns are very unique, and it seems like I usually only see those types of horns on a Siren in the Europe area rather than in the United States. And it also looks like it is on a wall mount for some reason instead of just mounted on the pole, as you can see right there. And the other one, I know that was reused since it's like still has the concrete pole. This one has the wooden, and the one on the concrete still had like a mounting platform up on the end, but this one doesn't have one. But that's pretty much all to really know. Well, you can see the Alertus logo and the sunlight right there, and if I get at the perfect angle, you can just barely make out the Alertus logos on the horn sides too, right by the output, I guess I could say. And the speaker drivers are in those small boxes right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing some other time. Bye for now.